Hey guys, this is James.
And Mariz.
So, welcome back to our channel with James and Mariz Coaching. And today we're going to be talking to you guys about how to use social media for lead generations in real estate. So, we're going to try to keep this video about 10 to 15, 10 to 20, 10 to 12 minute long. But yeah, we're going to show you guys how to use social media for lead generation real quick. So, right now, we're showing you guys the back office of our Facebook ads. Pretty much, uh, it's the last 14 days of our campaign, and within the last 14 days we generate over 72 leads, on the average of about $3.89 per lead. Um, but yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in learning how to consistently do 3 to 4 deals a month, right? What you want to do is go to 343kclass.com, watch our 45-minute video, how we went from zero to making $343,000 in less than 365 days by focusing on Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram, in a brand new market. All without spending more than 4 hours a day in our real estate business. Even if you're a new agent, little marketing budget, nobody knows who you are, all without doing any open houses, door knocking, or cold calling. In the training, you'll learn quite a bit of stuff. For example, like free marketing template that we use for buyers and seller leads. These marketing templates and these scripts and everything, they allow the buyers and seller leads calling you daily, so that you don't have to waste time doing open houses or doing door knocking. You'll learn some outsourcing stuff that we learned, like how to hire virtual assistants. You'll have free access to tools and CRM training that help us, manage our database, access to our Facebook ads and our campaign, and pretty much step by steps on what we did our first 3 months in our real estate business in a brand new market, so then you guys can grow quickly. Um, but after you watch the video, go ahead and if you guys need coaching, we do offer partnerships. Go to Partner with Fam, book a call with us, and a strategy call with us, and we'd love to help you guys out. Okay. So, anyways, let's get to it. So the first thing we handle is we use pretty much four marketing platform, which is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, but let's real quick go to like our Facebook. So first thing we do is we run Facebook ads, right, on our Facebook page, and within our Facebook ad, we'll get a lot of people sending us messages, like, "Hey, um, you know, we're interested in buying a house. Hey, thanks for connecting with us. How are you?" Stuff like that. Hi, people message us because they're interested in possibly buying a house, right? Also, we get a lot of people on the bottom of our posts, putting a comment in here, asking for questions and stuff like that. So we do try to respond to as much as we can. So one of the things that people don't do is they don't uh, they don't request people to follow their page, right? So all these people that like you right here, you want to invite them to liking your page, all right? So then that way it'll build your following. That's one of the things that we do once every single month is we invite everybody who likes our page, either once a month or once a week or whatever. We just invite everybody to like our page because our ads is already running, so might as well get some free followers, right? Just invite them to like our page since they're already on Facebook. And yeah, I mean, that's what we normally do. So that's the one that gets about 70 something views, and this one gets some too. So, I mean, they already like your page, just like your post. So just invite them to like your page, right? And then that way you'll have followers for the rest of life because these are the people that are interested in buying, right? Right now you're just building your database, you're building your list. This is the strategy that we use in the beginning just to build our database up. All right, so go ahead and do that. So this is what our Facebook page would look like, right? on top of us running ads. So once in a while, we'll just post a video on our Facebook page right here. Just let them know that we're active, we're here for them. And yeah, I mean, of course, we can add them as friends, right? Like confirm friend requests. We can add all these people as friends just because eventually they will want to buy a house, right? Like all these people, add friend, add friend, add friend, add friend. So there's a lot of people that we can add as friend, okay? And yeah, so once in a blue moon, we just post videos on here. But majority of our marketing comes from ads, okay? Now, same thing what we do with Instagram, okay? So Instagram, we do the same thing with Instagram. So, for example, we do little videos. We edit some videos, and anybody that likes our video, right? We just follow them. So anybody that follow us or like our videos, we just follow them. So this guy followed us, okay? This person, he follow us. We want to follow them. This guy's like, wow, the home look amazing, blah, blah, blah. Have a blessed day. Great. Kyle, he started following you, so I'll follow him back. Follow, right? This person follow me, follow him back. Basically, you want to follow all the people that followed you back, right? Also, right, when you connect your Facebook page with this, you'll see that people comment. You'll also see, so all these people that comment, you want to follow, okay, all the people that like your posts, okay, and that's what we do. So like for example, right, this post. So once you go on Instagram, you'll see that all these people. Here, let me pull all this up. If I can find my video. Here, let's look at this. So you see all these people that like our all of our YouTube videos. Well, we want to follow all those people that like it, right? Because eventually they will follow us, right? So everybody that like our page, right, our ads, we follow them, or we send a request, so then they'll follow us back and it'll build our audience. So that's one of the things that we also do on Instagram, okay? So we just try to follow everybody that follow us, so then they'll follow us back, and that way we can build our social media list quicker. All right, so that's one. So that's one of the ad that we ran that has about 115 likes, and then let's see if we can find another one, 150 likes, and this one has about 30 something like, right? So we'll just follow everybody that like our page, so that way they'll follow us back, right? So that's kind of like one of our marketing strategies. And of course, you can only do a couple of these a day, but you don't need to follow 1,000 people because you're just running ads. So those are the people that like our post. Yeah, I mean, that's something that we do, right? And then just pay attention to your, see, this person's following you, this person's following you, and then this person's following you. You want to follow the people that follow you back, so then you can build your following and you can build your database, right? You want to build your database, and yeah, I mean, that's one of the best thing that we recommend you guys doing. So eventually what's going to happen is that this number of followers will grow, okay? Imagine if you have 100,000 followers. Of course, if you have 100,000 followers in your neighborhood following you, and who cares if you're following 100,000 people? It doesn't really matter. But the most important thing is that people are seeing your face, okay? And so here's another thing that we did right here. On our TikTok. Of course, TikTok, we've been slowing down on TikTok, but TikTok, we would do the same thing with TikTok and Instagram, and we'll follow them. We'll spend a little bit of effort in it. If we have a team, and we'll start following people, and we'll start following people back, especially the people that like our videos, or um, oops, even if the people are not liking our videos, let's just say the people are watching the videos, we can follow them, because the people that watched our videos, those are the people that um, are here locally that are possibly interested in buying. So we want to follow those people too, okay? So lastly, uh, we use YouTube. So YouTube is one of our platform that we use, and we shoot videos of house tours. So you can see all these house tours that we did, touring homes here in the Fresno market, doing search engine optimization with the videos. And of course, if you look at our YouTube videos, right, we have some that are that has quite a bit of views, some that has a good amount of views, right? But overall, if you just imagine each one of these views are people, okay, are real actual people, and they're looking to buy a house. And once they, marketing is all about sales, and marketing is about attention, desire, interest, and action. So first, you get their attention by watching a video, and then within that video, you create some kind of interest, right? Like you want to create some kind of interest, like, hey, I'm interested in that style of like kitchen or whatever, right? Or you create a call to action. All right, and then when you show them enough homes through videos, then you create a desire. Like, for example, you show them ways on how they can save money. You show them a way how they can get in a house like that for about $3,000 a month in payment. So you give them ideas, right? And you create this desire for them, and then you allow them to take action by calling you. All right, so those are the things that we do. How we use social media to help us grow our business. So, guys, if you're not using social media for your lead generation in real estate, we definitely recommend you guys using social media, because it helps us grow our business. So it's something that I think will help you guys also as well. So, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So let's go ahead and sign out. And if you guys are interested in getting coached by us, so we're gonna go ahead and show you what to do next.
So here's what to do next. If you are looking to consistently do an extra 3 to 4 deals per month, let us help you level up. Go to partnerwithfam.com for a free strategy call, and before you schedule your call with us, go watch our webinar training at 343kclass.com on how we went from zero to making $343,000 in less than 365 days by focusing on Facebook ads, YouTube, and Instagram in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in our real estate business. Even if you're a new agent, little marketing budget, or nobody knows who you are, all without doing any open houses, door knocking, or cold calling, then go to 343kclass.com or schedule your call with us at partnerwithfam.com. See you soon.